Instead of making cupcakes, we make countertops, and they pop out really nice. So I guess we're gonna rock and roll. Hi, I'm Michael Potts, and I'm the owner of Ideal Surface. Lots of people think of concrete as just being their driveway or sidewalk. These days, there's really no limit to what you can do with concrete. Having the background as a concrete person kind of caught the bug. I like the idea that you can have function and fashion in a concrete piece, so it can be a functional piece of art. The stuff that we make isn't what you would think of as your standard concrete mix. Whatever surface we cast against, we're able to retain that same profile. In a case where we got the wood grain, they'll take on that same wood grain, and then we're able to come back and stain it so that it appears to be pieces of wood. We incorporate alkaline resistant glass fiber so that we're able to cast things that are a lot thinner and lighter. It could actually flex and not break. You could embed different materials into the countertop, and we can make it any color, from the deepest black to the whitest white. We will shoot the inside of the mold with a drywall hopper gun and apply a face coat of cement. This is the face coat here, so we'll mix this one up first. And then we'll follow that up with a mixture that has a lot of fiber in it. The whole idea is that the face coat basically is your finished surface, and the backer coat is the coat that has all the fiberglass in it, and that's where you get tensile strength. It's kind of like a glass of water. Move it around too much, it's going to spill. Typical concrete has nothing but compression strength. When you add the glass fiber, this has got the fiber in it. Pieces can actually bend so you don't get breakage where you would with normal concrete. When you think of only being able to make, a driveway or sidewalk or a parking lot, now you're starting to think about, you can make a business card, you can make a sink, you can make a countertop. When I'm with my children and I see different things that I've made over the years, I definitely have a tendency of always pointing it out. It's always nice to go somewhere and to see something that I've been able to create and to see other people use it. Dad built that over there.